Alright fam, if y'all like the first minute and 21 seconds, show me some support, show me some love, share the shit out of this. God bless y'all. Just woke up, gonna do an update on the
Y pipe.
I was gonna say that. I'm just sleepy as shit. But hey, when you gotta go to the store not to get your coffee, but to go get your Red Bull to wake you up. Okay, so here is the startup on the new. Wake everybody up in the process.
Especially the dogs, because they're gonna bark.
Anyway, check it out, guys. We're doing the shut up. I get it. I'm sorry. The co-start on the new Y pipe, and man, it sounds awesome. I don't know on the cold start, but like I said, going down the road, phenomenal.
You're retarded.
Oh, here you go.
You want me to put her in?
Get that, Mom. That's the mama, guys. That's the mama to this.
Is it filming?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
That's the mama to this thing. Look at it.
She's 7 weeks old today.
Just 7 weeks old today. All right, guys. Let's put them in and let's get. I gotta show y'all what we got.
Okay.
All right, guys. So y'all know we got the cutouts for the G37, and it's starting to grow on me. I'm not gonna say I don't like them, because like I said, they're starting to grow on me, and it's just, you trying to find a place to piss, ain't you? You better not piss on it. But I'm not gonna say I lost power. If anything, it might have gained a little bit, but it's weird. It's probably me, because other people, it probably wouldn't affect. I'm used to headers, cut off with V8s. You know the sound I'm talking about. Headers, because how this setup was on the G37, I had headers, test pipes, cutouts. So basically, you know how that's gonna sound. In my book, I do not like a V6 that has the headers and just cut off from there. I don't like it. It's me, is all it is. Y'all might like it, but like I said, I don't. So there's other ways I could do this. I could have ran them on back and put the cutouts on. I could run me some mufflers on it and had the cutouts where it's just no mufflers. Several different ways you could do it. But like I said, the only way I found fit for me at the time was at the back of my test pipes. Put them there. Actually, matter of fact, we put them right there on the Y pipe. So, like I said, I wasn't happy. So, this is what we got. I opened it up because I had to get my smell good. Let me show you what we got, guys. Let me show you what we got. Ignore the car, it's dirty. But check out the Z smelly
Citrus.
Right. So, anyway, I just like it. We got more Z1 stickers too. But here's what we're going with, guys. Now I can officially say from the headers back to the tips are all my favorite Z1, baby! Yeah! So, I'm ready to install. And I got these because I'm a die-hard Z1 fan. That's all it is to it, guys. I mean, other people might not like it, but Z1 is my go-to people, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna put this all together. Put them together. As you know, these go basically like that. The cutouts were right here. I don't know what we're gonna do with them yet, guys. We do have a project coming up in the future with a V8, so we might just save them for that. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead, put the camera to the side. Well, I'm gonna jack the car up. I could go to my muffler guy, what, Monday? Here. What are you hiding for, beautiful?
I want to be on camera.
I could go to my muffler guy Monday, but
Impatient.
it's Easter weekend. I'm impatient. We got a crawfish boil today, so this will be the last sound, guys, with the cutouts. Let y'all hear it. I mean, like I said, it sounds good. It's not a cold start. We done been to Shreveport this morning, so.
Sounded funny. Does that sound funny?
You sound funny. Oh, never mind.
Oh, too late.
Anyway, that's it, guys. That's what she sounds like with. If you can tell, it kind of sounds like maybe she wore the Y pipe. I mean, where the test pipes tie.
Get me all dirty.
Where the where the cutouts come together, and well, I guess more or less where they open and close. I just hear air come when they're closed. You can still hear air coming out, and it's probably normal, but I'm very, very picky. If you know me, you know how picky I am. Anyway, we're fixing to get the jack up under, jack it up. This side, you know how you jack cars up. I ain't gonna take that, which I might not, because if you seen the last video with the factory shit,
Yeah.
it took my life away.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, guys, let's get with it. I love you, baby. I do too.
Sam, don't film me. Why are you filming me?
You're beautiful. Alright, so we will go ahead and put the wire pipe together. Then we'll get up under the car and take the other one off. Yeah, baby. there's that. Alright guys, so there's that. Got her put together. Now we're gonna undo this one up under the car. I just jacked one side up.
Found my mop.
Where'd you find it at?
Hanging by the back door.
No shit.
Yeah.
There they are. We got 17 minutes left, so I'm trying to make this. Alright, so we're just gonna undo here, there, and then go to the back of the undo here. And then yeah, slide the other one up in there. That's the general idea. So let's see if it works. Alright, so let's pull these out. Show you how we kind of did it. See, there wasn't nothing to it, but like I said, I've always wanted the Z1, so let's get back up under it. If it start raining, so let's put them under it. Okay, guys, there we go. Z1Y pipe is in. I am happy, it's good and sturdy. Let's pull this shit out, cause the bottom's fixing to fall out. Alright, let's do it, guys. Let's get this shit off. Get it cranked up for you. Excuse me, my friend. Let you hear this mother sucker up. I don't know what it's gonna sound like, but if I had to guess, I would say it should sound like it did before we put the cutouts on. But who knows? Alright, babe, get behind it. Let's see what she sounds like. You ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, she's ready, guys. Ignition's on. Get ready to fire it up. Here we go, here we go. Oh yeah.
Love it.
Oh yeah. She got more of a roar.
Back to herself.
You know, it ain't
But
like,
a little more fierce.
yeah, she was, when you got right here, like I said, you can hear a little backflow, I guess. I mean, not backflow, a little bit of, sound like an air leak. I mean, it sounded like an exhaust leak, but it wasn't an exhaust leak. It was just a little bit of air coming out of the cutouts. All right, so get behind it. Let's rip it up. She's got a more beefier sound though.
Yeah.
You dumbass, get out of this. Get out of here. Oh yeah. You hear some whining?
I don't know. You got to listen to the tape again.
Like the,
What are you talking about when you were backing up?
well, it's like, rip it up. Hey! That thing sounds good. Put it in neutral. Rev it up one time. All right, you better Parker. All right, guys. Still sleepy. Just woke up. Gonna do an update on the
Y pipe.
DWAP. I was gonna say that. I'm just sleepy as shit. But hey, when you gotta go to the store not to get your coffee, but to go get your Red Bull to wake you up. Okay, so here is the startup on the new. Wake everybody up in the house in the process.
Especially the dogs, because they're going to bark.
Anyway, check it out, guys. We're doing the shut up. I get it. I'm sorry. The co-start on the new Y-pipe, and man, it sounds awesome. I don't know on the cold start, but like I said, going down the road, phenomenal.
You're retarded.